This is a 1973 f100 that was switched over from an automatic to a stick shift. In the process, the neutral safety switch was bumped, and what would happen was I would turn on the key and I would get nothing, no sound, no nothing. So what I did was I just bypassed the neutral safety switch as a test, and it started right up. So here's how you do that. Your neutral safety switch is on the bottom of the column right here, and it's got two little bolts. Undo the bolts, drop it down. Here it is. This is what it looks like, and here's how you bypass it. Just jumper cables, jump those 2 points right there, and it should start right up. That sits on the column like this, and when you're in park, this lever should be over here, or it'll start either in park or in neutral. But if it gets bumped, or for some reason, if the clip isn't in the right position, your car won't start. Here's the bypass. Those wires.